NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Thomas Keyboy.
Good evening, Gulf Coast. I hope that your week has gotten off to a great start. We'll quickly start off in the tropics where there's not a lot to say. No new development expected in the next 7 days, and just hopefully we continue to say that. When it comes to our weather this afternoon, while it was hot and a little bit steamy, for all intents and purposes for this time of the year, it's actually really nice. And for 2 days in a row now, we've seen a daytime high in Mobile come in under 90 degrees, got to 88. There were a few spots in southeast Mississippi that did get to 90 degrees, but for the vast majority of us, mid to upper 80s. And for this time of the year, you really can't argue with that, especially when it comes with mostly sunny skies and humidity that isn't awful. Now, this time of the year, it's impossible to get rid of the humidity along our stretch of the Gulf Coast. But thanks to this upper level low pressure that helped drive this front that moved in yesterday, our northerly flow has kept that humidity, I would say, at bay at least. And that will continue to be the case through tomorrow. As we move into the middle and second half of this week, this upper level low pressure will start to fizzle away and we'll see normal humidity make a return. However, it doesn't look like it's going to get too bad by the end of the week. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. In the meantime, here's a live look outside. Beau Rivage Tower camera looking towards downtown Mobile. Nice and clear. We did see a few spotty showers earlier today, but all of those showers have since come and gone. We're currently sitting at 75 degrees and our dew point temperature is in the low 70s. So again, the humidity is there. It's just not awful. And as we go through tonight, those lows will be dropping into the upper 60s and low 70s in our inland communities. If you're along Highway 84, you could briefly drop into the upper 60s. Meanwhile, if you're down towards the coastline, those overnight lows mainly ranging in the mid 70s. These temperatures close to, if not a little bit below where they should be for this time of year. After a comfortable start to our Tuesday, we will be warming up quickly, and tomorrow will be hotter than what we saw out there today, as daytime highs are expected to climb into the low 90s. We'll check in with a mix of sun and clouds, and by the heart of the afternoon, there will be at least a slight chance that an isolated pop-up shower or rumble of thunder finds you. Daytime highs topping out in the low 90s, also very close to where we should be for this time of year, thanks to that relatively low humidity staying in place. Instead of heat index values up around 110, they'll be closer to 100 degrees. So hot, but at least you can get through the day with heat index values close to 100. If you're going down to the beach, should be some great weather. It's an even lower rain chance if you're at the beach itself, and you'll likely either see green or yellow flags flying with surf height around 1 to 2 feet. As we move through the next few days, this is going to be a lot of wash, rinse, and then repeat. Nights will be mostly clear to partly cloudy with lows in the 70s, and during the afternoon, daytime highs around 90 degrees with a slight 20% chance that a spotty shower or storm finds you. That's going to be the same going into our Wednesday. And then it'll be similar going into our Thursday. As we round out the work week and move into the weekend, moisture levels will be increasing, so rain chances will increase, but it'll still be staying close to where we should be for this time of year. And you can see those dew points increasing, but thanks to our temperatures really not moving much of anywhere, instead of heat index values climbing up to around 110, by the weekend should be around 105. Here's how it all looks on the 7-day tracker. We're in Mobile the next several days. Daytime highs low 90s, overnight lows continue in the 70s. Slight 20% rain chance through Friday, and then we see that slight uptick in our rain chances from the weekend into early next week.